Alright, this is a quick lesson about coordinate grids. So as you see, I have some graph paper. I just drew a line like this. This is our first type, and the first thing you need to know is there are two axes. There's the x and there's the y, and then this middle point is 0. So this may look like this. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you read a point on a coordinate grid, it's in parentheses and there's a comma, and the x number always comes first and then the y number. So for example, if I had 1, 2, I would find the 1 on the x-axis, which would be right here, and then I would go up to the 2 on the y-axis and draw a dot. So I'd go over 1 and then up 2 and draw a dot. We always like to say that if you're getting in an elevator, you have to go in the elevator first and then you can go up the elevator. So let's try another one. We'll do 3, 5. So think to yourself where that would be. And then let's try it. You would go in 3, the x-axis, 1, 2, 3, and we're on the x side. And then you'd go up the y-axis 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you would draw a dot. And you've just plotted 3, 5. Now sometimes you're going to get a coordinate grid that looks like this. On this side, if you have any number over here, it's going to be two positive numbers, because this is positive 1, sorry, it's not writing again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is positive 1, 2, 3, 4. Now down here, if we follow the y-axis down, this was 0, so this would be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. So if I have any number that's over here, or any dot, this is going to be a positive x number and a negative y number. Now if I continue with the x's, this would be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and negative 6. So any dot that's over here, it's going to be a negative y number and a negative x number. And then up here in the corner, we're going to have a negative x and a positive y. So let's try some of these. Like before, let's use this side. We did 2, 6. Let's try that one. So that means I'm going to go in the x-axis 2, and then I'm going to go up 6. Oh, but I overshot because we don't have a 6. Sorry about that. Let's do 2, 2. So in 2, up 2, and I would draw a dot. So let's go down here. I could have 3, negative 1. So I'd go in the x-axis 1, 2, 3, and now I have to look at the y-axis. My negative 1 is down here, so I end up in this coordinate. Let's go to our negative coordinates. If we have negative 2, negative 3, I would have to find the x-axis and go to negative 2, which is right here, and then find the y-axis and go to negative 3, which is right here, and they meet at this point. And our very last one, let's do negative 4, 4. So I always do x first. I follow the x over to the negative 4, which is right here, and then I go up to the positive 4 for the y, which is right here, and they meet at this point. And that's how you solve coordinate grid problems.